Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our maths lesson today. Can you make sure, please, before we continue, that you have everything that you need? So today, very similarly to yesterday, you're going to need 2 10 frames, however you want to draw them or make them is up to you, and 20 counters or something to put into your 10 frame, so make sure it fits. Amazing. Right, we're all ready to go. Let's get warmed up. Can you go like this? 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 Warm up those fingers. Can you go? Boop, boop. I'm ready. Okay, you are ready for maths. Okay, let's get started. So, number 1. Oh, let's have a look. We've got a numicon here. I'd like you to count the numbers in the numicon, count the holes, and then tell me, write down what 1 less than that number is. Question 2. Count backwards from 16 to 12. Question 3. How do you spell the number 14? Can you have a go? Question 4. What number is missing from the part-whole model? Pause the video now if you need a little bit more time to have a look at the questions. Okay, question 1. So the numicon is showing what number? 8. So 1 less than 8 is, less than means smaller than. So it's the number before 7, before 8. Sorry, I gave you the answer. It is 7. That's the answer to question 1. Question 12. Count backwards from 16 to 12. Shall we all do it together? I'll start us off. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Incredible. I'm going to write those down as well. Can you write them down as well? You might have already done that. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Question 3. How do you spell the number 14? Did you thread it? I'm going to thread it now, although there is a tricky bit. Let's have a look. We've looked at this before, but not for a while. O, T, E, N. Ooh, 5 sounds. The first sound was F. O. 4, although tricky, because 4 is one of those tricky words that has an extra letter in the sound, so it's F, O. We write the sound O in 4 and 14 like this. T, E, N, T. E, N, 14. Okay, question 4. What number is missing? So we can see we have a part-whole model. Can you tell me what is the whole? The whole is 7. 7 is the head. Remember, the 2 arms stretch out to give you the parts. One of the parts is 2. So how could I work out the other part? We've done this a few different ways at school before, but we're going to do it like this today. So I know that my whole was 7. I'm going to draw 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One of the parts was 2. So I'm just going to draw a line to show there's 2 here. This is one of my parts. So the other part must be all of this. So let's count what we've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall we check that? Does 5 add 2 make 7? This is 5 and this is 2. I know I've got 5 here, 6, 7. Yes, I'm right. So today we are going to be having a look at, oh, can you say this word? It's quite posh. Sit up straight. We've said it before, but can you remember it? Subtraction. 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 Subtraction just means taking away. So it's the opposite to adding, because we're not getting more, we're taking some away. So we're going to have less. Okay, let's have a look at our part whole models then. So how many snowflakes are in our part whole models? Have you counted them? If not, pause the video. If you have, let's continue. There are 18. Can you write down the number 18? I'm going to write it on my screen as well. Watch carefully for the magic writing. 18 is 1 10 and 8 ones. We write it just like that. I'd like you to pause the video now and put 18 of your objects onto your 10 frames. You're going to have one full 10 frame and the second 10 frame is going to have 8 in it. Pause the video now while you have a go. Okay, brilliant. You should be sorted with your 18 objects on your 10 frame. Now, we're going to subtract. Say subtract. Subtract. Subtract just means taking away. Show me your taking away. You're going to take away 2. Can you take 2 off your 10 frame? And count how many you have left. I've taken 2 snowflakes off my 10 frame. So I had 18. I've taken 2 off. How many have I got left? Did you say 16? It's 16. We've got 1 full 10 frame. That's 10. We're so clever. We know that a full 10 frame means 10. And 6 more. Let's count on from 10. Just double check. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our number sentence is 18. Take away. So put the take away sign on. 2, because we took 2 away. And the answer is, we know it is 16. 1 10 and 6 ones. Amazing. Well done, everybody. Give yourself a big hug to say, well done, me. I'm amazing at math. You're amazing. Let's do another one. Okay, we're going to subtract again. We're going to take away. How many snowflakes? Can you put that many snowflakes into your 10 frames? How many are there? Say it. 15. Amazing. Can you write it down? How do we write 15? We've got 1 full 10 frame and 5 ones. 15. A 1 and a 5. Now, this time you're going to take away 4. You take 4 away really carefully, super accurate counting. Just take 4 away. Have you got an answer? This time I'm going to show you how to take it away when it's printed out like this, just by crossing out. We've done this before with numbers less than 10. So I'm going to take away 4. I could show this on my 10 frame by crossing out if it's on a piece of paper. So how many do I need to cross out? 4. 1, 2, we should get the same answer. 3, 4. So how many are left? I've got 1 full 10 frame and 1 more. I know that my full 10 frame is 10. And 1 more is 11. Have you got 11 left too? So my number sentence would look like this. We've got 15, then we take away 4. I'm just going to do that again. And the answer is, it equals 11, we said. 1 10 and 1 1. Look at that amazing number sentence showing our super subtraction. This time you're going to think really carefully and see if you can work out what the number sentence is. Okay, I started with some snowflakes. I started with the amount that's on the screen now. Maybe you'd like to put that amount onto your 10 frames now and pause the video while you do. I'm now going to take some away by crossing them out. When I do, you can also take them off your 10 frame. Do it with me. I'm going to take away 1. Have you taken away 1? We've not finished yet. 2. Take another one away. You should have taken away 2 so far. We've not finished though. They keep going. 3. 4. 5. So you had the same amount of objects as I do. Then you took away 5. How many are left? Super. Let's see if you can write the number sentence. So the first number in our number sentence, I'm just going to pop a little red line around it now, was the amount we had at the beginning. How many did we have at the beginning before we took any away? Write that number down now. And then we took away, we know that this is our takeaway sign. We're amazing at that now. How many did we take away? Count my crosses if you want to remember. And then, what did it equal? What's the answer at the end? How many are left? Hopefully, you've now got a full number sentence. Let's go through it together. So you can tick yours if you like as we go. Okay, the number that we began with was full 10 frame, 7 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So your first number, hopefully, is 17. Then we took away How many? 5. And we did take away 5. And what's the answer? How many are left? 12. A 1, 1 10, and 2 1s. Did you get that? Please give yourself a great big tick and hopefully a nice big smiley face. Well done, everyone. You know, there's been quite a lot of snow recently. Well, some children built 13 snowmen. Can you count them all? But unfortunately, 2 melted overnight. How could I show that 2 melted overnight? Yeah, I think I might have to cross them out. So, because I'm going to take them away. If they melted, they disappeared, didn't they? So I'm going to cross out this one with his lovely blue scarf. Bye-bye. I'm going to cross out that one there. Beautiful snowmen. Oh dear. How many are left? Next challenge. You ready for this? How would I write what we've just done in a number sentence? So, something, this blue box here, take away something else, that's the red box, how many we took away, equals the green box, how many are left? Have a think, pause the video, see if you can work it out or even write it down. So how many were there to begin with? There were 13. So 13 is our first number. How many melted? How many did we take away? 2. 13. Take away 2. We could also say 13 subtract 2 equals 11. Amazing. Okay, boys and girls, you're now going to go and practice your subtraction, taking away skills by using some of the questions on the seesaw activity. Or you might even want to make up some of your own questions as well. How clever would that be? You could be like a little mini teacher and teach me how to do your question. And you could make up your own. See you soon.